Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Swansea, local and long distance movers near me. We provide the best expert long distance moving solutions to help make your move so much easier. Choosing our team to assist you means your cross country move is going to go efficiently. Relocating isn't easy, however, and using the best moving services can definitely make things a lot easier. Along with the standard long distance moving solutions, we also provide all the following: packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on time move and upfront pricing. Choosing to work with an Illinois moving company may not seem like it's worth the cost. However, following a close look at the primary benefits of hiring local moving companies, you really realize that it's worth the effort. Any decent moving company will certainly help you save time on your local move. You will also get to minimize the heavy lifting, which means no risk of injury. Our crew of expert movers will definitely ensure your move is really efficient. 3 Movers understands how to streamline your move. Moving locally can be very quick, and our team can handle even a very big move in a single afternoon. When you're ready to choose the best Swansea moving company, it's time to call us today. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Swansea moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.